We are going to get every single conversation, setting, and account detail out of ChatGPT so you have a complete local backup saved directly on your device. First, head over to the ChatGPT screen and move your mouse down to the bottom left corner where your profile name and icon are located. Click directly on your profile picture, and from the menu that pops up, click on Settings. Now, on the left navigation panel of this pop-up window, look for where it says Data Controls and select that option. In this menu, you will see several controls related to chat history and model training, but the important thing is to scroll down to where it says Export Data. On the far right side of that section, click on the button that says Export. A confirmation window will pop up explaining that your account details and chat history will be compiled into an offline file. Click on the button that says Confirm Export to officially start the request. As soon as you click that, OpenAI begins gathering all your data in the background and preparing a download package. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to speed and data management. The trade-off here is that this export process is not instant. Depending on how frequently you use ChatGPT and how many total conversations you have accumulated over time, generating this file can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days. In my case, having tens of active chat threads means waiting a bit longer for the system to process everything. The important thing to keep in mind is that once the export email finally arrives in your inbox, the download link inside will expire after 24 hours for security reasons. If you do not click that link and save the file within that time frame, you lose access to that download and will have to go back into your settings to start the entire process over again. In addition, any new messages or prompts you send after hitting confirm will not be included in this specific export, so you are only saving a static snapshot of your account up to this precise moment. Once OpenAI finishes building your package, open your email inbox and look for a message with the download link. Click on the button inside that message to download the zipped folder directly to your computer or phone. After saving it, extract the folder to view your full chat history, prompt logs, and custom instructions inside simple HTML files that you can open with any standard web browser.